How to lube a Chevy Express or Silverado front suspension. Get yourself a grease gun, preferably with a flex line. You want to come under here. There's about 10 or 12 zerk fittings. They look like this. These little silver fittings right here. I'll show you where they're at on the Chevy suspensions and GMC suspensions. There's usually one right here on top of the lower ball joint, one right here on the lower ball joint, and then on the top ball joint there's one up there as well, right up there, that guy right there. And then there's one on the tie rod, of course. And then this is the tie rod, and then you follow right here. There's one on the inner part of the tie rod, and then on the right side there's usually one right here. I believe this is called the pitman arm on top of that one, and then also there's one up here as well. Got this one on top of the pitman arm, and then this one up here. So about 2 to 3 squirts. You want to watch the boots, and you'll kind of watch them kind of swell up a little bit. You don't want to do it too much because you could literally pop those boots and all the grease will come out. But you want to do all those, and then on the opposite side that has all the same zerk fittings as well. So you just get your little gun, you kind of push it on, do like 2 to 3 squirts. It should the boot should kind of fill up a little bit, but you don't want to overdo it. If you're having grease just come out of here on the instead of in the zerk fitting, you probably aren't on it tight enough. But yeah, you just go something like this, and then with my other hand I'll be pushing on the little hose just to make sure it gets the grease inside of it. Extra grease you just want to wipe off like that, and that's it, guys. Hopefully this helped you out.